Hello and welcome back to the channel. I finally managed to attend to a classic car gathering, or actually that's not quite true, because it's not only a gathering of classic cars but all sorts of cars. And yeah, I finally managed to attend one. Unfortunately the weather today isn't very nice, but it will do. And here in the back you see the predecessor of my car, a Fiat 500. And the good thing about it is that this one was built in Austria, so it's simply amazing. You can see it's a Steyr-Puch 500. It's just a fantastic car, and always funny to look at how small it is. It is even smaller than my Maluch, and fantastic to see it around in the streets, on the streets. The event is basically just beginning, so people are still coming in. So I'm very much looking forward to talking to people, recording some nice footage, some nice photos, maybe get to know a few people for the future. Anyway, for now, that's it for the introduction, so stay tuned. Bye. This car is 90 years old and it's still driving. It's fantastic. It's simply fantastic. I guess my Maluch is in pretty good company. A very old Mercedes. I believe that's a Porsche. It is a Porsche. Yeah, it's just fun around here. Two Volkswagen Beetles, classic ones, not the new ones from 1998, which were basically pretty ugly. And yeah, it's fun to be around people again. Obviously it's just for fully vaccinated people, so hopefully there isn't any risk. But anyway, let's continue. Fast forward a little bit, the crowd is gathering, there's still people coming and going. Pretty interesting car, a Trabant. Haven't seen one of those in decades, so it's getting better and better by the minute. So let's continue.
Okay.
It's been a few hours, so I'm going to take off within a few more minutes. It was an amazing gathering with different people. I was talking to a lot of them, had the most fun I had in weeks, but the weather is quickly deteriorating and I really don't want to drive in the rain, so it was fun. I hope to do this pretty soon in the future. For now that's it. Thank you for watching. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.